So here we are at the wine vineyard cellar thing.
Poke a hole in it and just click.
Ooh, we're gonna play hide and seek.
Hide and seek? Yes, bless.
You're never gonna find me. I'll be in a barrel.
Fucking good.
That's actually really good. I would have never saw him.
I would have.
I would have never saw him.
Special temperature, if it's too hot or if it's too cold, or if the air is too dry, it dies, and we could not produce the cherries that we have to produce.
Yeah, move.
Oh shit, fuck, bro.
Yeah, I know. But the smell here, like, if 4D existed, you'd be happy. We're gonna get wine. Yay. We get a whole bottle. We get a whole bottle. Mom, Dad, I'm sorry, but I have to.
We treat you like children, you behave like children. If we treat you like adults, you behave like adults. So we are in a winery.
Almost 20%.
Perfect. Really, can I just get a bottle? Like, have an olive. That's the olive.
Okay, but I demand a cheers. Spain, guys.
Not cheers. Salute.
Salud! It's pretty good. That's actually really good. Woo, guys, I'm drunk.
Are you eating olives?
No.
Because I thought it would be okay with this.
It is though.
No, it's gonna taste like that. Well, I
Why don't you
found that
try?
out now. Olives taste like ass. Rather not throw one.
Do it for the vlog.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vlog.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vlog.
When they do that, I'd be like,
Yeah, it's really good.
So
Especially
good.
with the olives.
the olives are nasty. I hate
They're
them.
so good. It's like it brings the flavor. Yeah.
Like I can smell it from here, and it smells like it smells like a horse that just took a
Shut your mouth. No class.
Like the olives?
No, we love them with the
Just being a bad sport. We just finished the wine tasting, and I'm surprised we actually got to taste wine. Like a whole bunch of ducks. Yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna attack me. I have a feeling they're gonna attack me.
What are you saying? I would never do that. Never.
I said there, the ducks, not you.
Oh, the ducks?
The ducks.
Oh.
Stop.
I saw it in the shadow.
I was switching my head. She did the biggest flinch ever.
I made friends.
My squad.
Oh, I have a good idea.
These are the kind of drinks you have for wineries. Is the sun on
Yeah,
the
I'll tell you
floor
guys
because
after,
it's the
'cause
typical Andalusian
freaking
sun
loud.
is the same.
So we're here at the entrance for the horse show. Just got our tickets. I had to put in a new memory card, so I should be good for the rest of the trip. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture, okay?
How do you take it? You can take a picture while you film?
Yeah, just press this. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Did I take it? No. You're fucking with us. Oh my.
Do it for the vlog. Woo! Yeah, boy. Look behind you. The lights go really well. at the buffet. Alright guys, here we are in Cadiz. We're about to take a tour of the city. And I say this all the time, but it's freaking beautiful. We have a few other stuff to do, like go to the tower, and then we're gonna go to the beach and the hotel. More stairs.
Oh no, I can't see the top.
That's a Quebec anthem, by the way.
Just love
I don't think there's that much more, but I've been around before. 3 more. What?
All the way down and turn myself down the stairs.
If that. I need a seat.
I hate these stairs. I don't like banana.
More stairs. Oh, you're kidding me. Can we just go down? This made my day. This right here. This is why I came. There's a big fire over there.
Where? Shit.
Someone just fell. Kayla fell down the stairs. Do it again. Kayla, you fell? Is your camera okay? No, but seriously, you okay?
Yeah. I skipped like 3 stairs. The hamburger.
Just found a gourmet vending machine that sells hamburgers, hot dogs. That does not look like a hot dog.
Looks like a waffle.
I'm gonna buy one.
Usually, when you have a vending machine full of chips and candy, they've been in there a week, 2 weeks. Now you have a hot dog and a hamburger that's been in there a week,
Sir,
2 weeks.
sir, Mr. Chen, it says gourmet.
And I'm a hot blonde.
Gourmet.
I thought you
What do I take?
No.
What the fuck is anal gel?
Are you gonna buy it?
A dildo? No.
No! The food.
Oh, I need to take a picture of the anal gel.
People, if they have one that's dry. See this.
Okay, whoever's rooming with me, I'm sorry.
Wait.
Oh my god. Ew.
Oh no way,
No way. Oh my god. Taste it.
You have 50 cents.
Ew.
Can I keep this?
Oh god, you guys are gonna give me cancer.
Oh my god, there's different ones.
Ow!
Number 6. $10. $10.
Watch it spin it. I'm moving.
I want to practice fingering. 12. It's 12.
What?
No, it's
It's not bad. It's really not bad.
BMS.
Have some.
Yo, I see.
It's a, this came from a bag, Simon. Look at this. You're eating a fucking burger out of a plastic bag.
Where?
Oh! Wait, I think you.
What? How did this work?
You guys are losers.
How did this work?
Oh man, I guess they'll have to take the next elevator.
We pressed
Freaking
2.
waste of time. Kid, did you actually press 1?
No, we pressed 2.
We'll press 2 again.
That's 200.
I can't believe we would have waited.
120, 156. Please have a minute, yeah. This is the hotel where you stay at. Look, that's just, no.
I want this one.
All good. We have a balcony! Oh. Oh, but wait, like we literally just went up 1 floor. Still not bad, I guess.
We can eat breakfast here.
How?
I'm kidding. We have to go to the restaurant.
Yeah, oops. What do you mean Bloody Mary's gonna rape you?
She's gonna rape me. Like, you're gonna close the light and it's gonna be dark and my God. Okay, enough. Now it's enough. Dude, I can't take my shit like this.